Hey, doing an album flip through today. Travelers notebook. I've got 2 doilies on there with just some ephemera pieces and what's nots. This is just a modge podge of different pictures I've gotten. Mostly citrus twist and the different stamps and some freckled fawn and washi tape. Lord knows where the washi tape's from. More citrus twist. Yep, citrus twist. And these were pebbles, I believe. Flowers. And a bunch of other citrus twists. I took this picture specifically. This is my desk at work. Excuse me. And for at my desk. There's another one in here too, because another one came. This was just a way to use up labels, and we basically made our own pattern paper. We stamped in some of them, and very cute, I thought. Spa time with my forever love. And I kind of took a hint from Heba from My Little Journal on this one, I believe. And I think I'm going to have to go back through and glue some of this stuff down. But, okay, this one is Studio Calico. I believe it was a like grab bag type thing I had purchased, and I did that one there, and this one as well. This was using some of the cards and just different bits. These little puffy hearts came from Walmart. These came from Freckled Fawn, and this was Studio Calico. Studio Calico again. I still have a bunch of these blue labels right there. And this may came out of the Maggie Holmes sticker book, most likely. And this one's definitely citrus twist. Not too gaudy. This looks like I was using up paper strips, I believe, yeah. And I just did like a bunch of little layers there. Oh. And this, I actually got most of these from, these are from the dollar store, but these ephemera pieces were from a ephemera pack that I picked up somewhere. And this was another way I was trying to use up some of my word stickers, because they tend to accumulate after a while. And I punched, this was just scrap paper, and then I punched it with my punch from Hobby Lobby. I forget who it's by. This was an ephemera pack that I got from my warehouse box, and this came from there as well. Some of these stickers came from just some different word packs that I had. I just did this one tonight and tried to keep it simple, because I kind of really wanted to get this done, because it was one last page. So I did a little stamping here and here. Brought in some sequins that I have no idea where they came from. They're ginormous, so it's time to get those used up, and bits and pieces. And this, oh, this is the other one that said on my desk, and I used that because it was a picture of, because I didn't do a process video on this one. This one was a picture of just a project I had going on, or a project life page, that pocket life page that I was doing. And this was the last Travelers notebook page that I did. Used that gorgeous citrus twist paper, and a bunch of little cut aparts and whatnot. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys, because it's done, completed. Put it in the pile of dust collectors where, you know, nobody ever looks at them but me. So, well, my daughter looks at them sometimes. So, anyway, if you haven't checked out my last video of my craft space tour, there is a giveaway on there. So, go check that out. And I'm also on Facebook and all that good stuff. So, all the normal lineup there. And I hope you're having a great week. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.